In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Outlook. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, switching to a darker theme can reduce glare, feel easier on the eyes, and even help with battery life on some screens. I'll walk you through it from start to finish, keeping it simple and clear. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your settings. Once Outlook is open, look to the top of the interface. If you see a file menu, click it to access more options. Depending on the version you're using, you might instead see a settings gear icon near the top right. Either way, you're heading into your settings area. Next, select Settings. This is where all the personalization and preference controls live, including themes and appearance. Inside Settings, find and click Appearance. The Appearance section controls how Outlook looks and feels, including color themes and the overall brightness of the interface. This is exactly where we want to be to enable the darker look. Now, locate the Dark Mode option and choose Dark. When you select Dark, you should notice the interface preview shift to deeper grays and blacks. This affects the navigation bar, message list, and reading pane, giving everything a more subdued look that's comfortable for prolonged use, especially in low light. If you're switching from a bright environment to a dimmer one, this change can make a big difference in comfort. Before you leave, make sure to save your changes. Click Save to apply the dark theme across Outlook. The change should take effect immediately. If you don't see it update right away, give the page a moment or refresh your mailbox. That's all there is to it. You've turned on dark mode in Outlook. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same appearance area and choose light, or select a different theme that fits your style. Keep in mind that interfaces can look slightly different across updates or accounts, but the path is the same. Open Outlook, go into Settings, choose Appearance, pick Dark, and save. Enjoy the new look and give your eyes a break while you work through your emails.